explain about on how to operate the lathe machine and also the precautions that we should be taken when we are around the lathe machine. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fadali bin Tajudin, matric number 10 DKM 19F1041. So first of all, let me explain briefly about the lathe machine. Lathe machine is one of the most versatile machine being used in industry. Lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece for an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as cutting, milling, threading, turning, facing, drilling and chamfering, with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about the axis. Lathe are mostly used in wood turning, metal working, metal spinning, thermal spring, part reclamation and also glass working. Example of objects that can be produced on a lathe machine are screws, gun barrels, table legs, baseball bats and so on.
Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Iqbal bin Muhammad Tamizi. My matric number is 10 DKM19F1038. Today, I am going to explain about the procedure of lathe machine. Firstly, on the power of lathe machine. Second, fix the cutting tool in tool push. Third, loosen the jaw in the chuck key to position the workpiece and then tighten the jaw back. Next, for running the machine, we must switch on the lathe and move the carriage near the workpiece. Give it a small cross fit and then move carriage longitudinally to the required length. Then, bring the carriage to original position. Give a small cross fit and move carriage longitudinally and repeat this step until required diameter is obtained. Moreover, to get smooth surface, give a very small fit when the diameter is nearing the required value. Other than that, face the end surface of the workpiece. Move the carriage to make the tool touch the end surface of the workpiece. Furthermore, taper turning operation is done on the workpiece according to the taper angle calculated. Next, the compound rest base its weight and sets a calculated taper angle. For this, the tool is moved by 45 degrees to the lathe axis.
When we operate the lathe machine, we have to be constantly aware of the safety hazards that are associated with using the lathe and must know all the safety precautions to avoid accident and injuries happen. Carelessness and ignorance are two great menaces to personal safety. So there are some important safety precautions that we must follow, which is we should wear personal protective equipment before operating the lathe machine, such as wear safety glasses to protect our eyes and avoid from wearing gloves, rings, watch or loose clothes. Wearing a safety glass is must because the lathe oftenly spit out chips and other pieces of hot or sharp metal. We should also take care on cutting safety. As you cut the workpiece with the lathe machine, follow the manufacturer recommendation for rotation, speed, feed and depth of cut for the material that we are working on. When we start the lathe, begin on a low rotation setting and gradually increase the speed as necessary. Keep your hand and finger away from any moving parts or tools. The most important thing is make sure keep the floor free from obstruction or slip hazard and remove all tools, measuring instrument and other objects from saddle or leg bed before starting machine. Moreover, we should turn off the lathe machine after using or before talking to anyone. Lastly, clean the place after use.
So I can conclude that lathe machine is a heavy, dirty and high power tools largely used in engineering, especially mechanical engineering. Lathe are especially useful for cutting sheet metal or wood, but if used improperly, they can be incredibly dangerous. Read the user manual including safety procedure before you start work. Thank you.